everyone. Good evening all of you. Very good evening all of you. How are you all? Good evening, good evening. Welcome to Unify Study again. Welcome back. I hope all of you are fine. How is the Josh? How is the Josh, everyone? Are you ready for exam? Are you ready for the final revision? I can see here Dibya, yes, Geeta, Kani Mozi, Devi Sri, Rajkumar, Priskil, Selvi, Rijana and Meenachi. Good evening. Good evening. Okay, so yesterday we did this part 1, some of the part we did it, and today we will do the next part, and I will try to end and I will tell you all of you, here is the important things before your exam. Tomorrow is your exam, so if tomorrow is your exam, then before that you have to go to sleep, must go to sleep, because if 9 a.m. is your exam, then go to sleep within 9 p.m. today and tomorrow, these 2 days, maximum 10 p.m., not more than that. It is the strict rule, maximum 10 p.m. After that go to sleep, take proper sleep today and tomorrow. This is you have to do. Okay, yes, class started. I am here. I am audible or not? Yes, hi. Yes, so these are the topics we did yesterday. These are the topics are done here. Yesterday these are the topic we completed here, right? Here all this topic we completed under set relations and all, graph, DBM, permutation combination, operating system, these are done. All this operating system is also done. And DBMS also we did. These are the DBMS part, normalization we done. Now ER diagram was not done from DBMS, so we will do little bit revision for ER diagram also, because that day we did not cover the ER diagram. So that's why let's do the revision for ER diagram. After that we will go for the next topic, that is the networking, most important, networking, artificial intelligence, computer graphics. These are the 3 parts are remaining, because previously we did software engineering also. Software engineering proper revision is done. Other topic we did yesterday, and now we will do the DBMS also, most of the part is done. ER diagram was missing, so I am doing here ER diagram. After that we will go for networking, computer graphics, artificial intelligence, so that your complete revision will be done. Okay, ready? I hope so. So entity relationship diagram, ER diagram, these are the things what you have to know. Entity, that is the weak entity, strong entity. 2 types of entities are there. What is weak entity? When there is no primary key, that is called weak entity. This is depending on other entity, right? And there can be relationship also weak, when it is depending on other entity, that is a weak relationship. Attributes, here there are different types of attributes: key attribute, composite attribute, multi-valued attribute, derived attribute. Key attribute, that is what is your key, primary key or candidate key. Composite attribute means you are combining this composite attribute. This is called, what is the example of composite attribute? Can anyone tell me? Composite attribute, that is address. If you are thinking about address, city, state, country, together you are making the attribute, that is a composite attribute. Multi-valued attribute, phone number can be a multi-valued attribute, because nowadays every person have more than one phone number, that is multi-valued attribute. Derived attribute, age is the derived attribute, because everywhere we are not storing age, we are storing the date of birth, and from the date of birth we can calculate the address, calculate the age according to the current date, today's date. That is called the derived attribute. And here relationships are one to one to many, many to one, and many to many. These are the very important relationships. And here you have to remember the symbols are also important because questions are coming from the symbol also. Entity, this is entity relationship. Weak entity means double, here it's the double. Weak relationship, this is also double. Attribute, composite attribute in this way, like this, here is the address, here is state, city and all. Multi-valued attribute, double ellipse type, oval type. Derived attribute, dash, this is the derived attribute. Key attribute means here we are giving a line. Partial attribute, partial attribute means the partial key, part of the key. Two attribute is together making a key, means it is a part of the key, that is the partial key. Now when I am doing the key constraint, this is a symbol of key constraint, this is a symbol of total participation, this is a symbol of 1:1, this is 1:many, and this is many:1. These are the symbols are very important. I am coming to key constant, 1:1, 1:many, many:1. This is very important concept. High chance question can come from here, high chance, right? So for that, what you have to remember, participation and cardinality. What is participation? What is cardinality? Participation means the minimum number of relationship entity can participate. Minimum number of relationship means at least one employee will be work for one department. There should not be like that you got a job but there is no department for you, you don't have any work. That is not possible. So it is giving you at least one department is your responsibility. One employee will be connected with at least one employee. That is called a participation. And when participation is at least one, then we can say this is a total participation with double line. Here department participation is 0 because it is possible maybe it is a new department and there is no employee, number of employees 0. That's why minimum can be 0 here. This is called, here it is the minimum can be 0. That is participation. When I am coming to cardinality, cardinality is giving you maximum number of relation. One employee, at least one department was there, but one employee, if I am writing here that maximum also one employee can work for maximum one department. So cardinality is also 1 here. But in a department there can be multiple employee. In a department there can be multiple employee, that's why maximum is m. So cardinality is m here. And whenever you are writing, don't be confused as there is, this is the, here is 1 and here is m. That's why don't write it, it is 1:m. No, it is m:1 relationship. Here most of the students are doing mistake. This m is coming this side, this one is going this side. That's why this relation will be m:1, not 1:m. Please don't do this mistake. Keep it on your mind. Keep it on your mind. This is very, very important. It is m:1. Okay. Clear? Remember it. Here only most of the students are doing mistake. And when it is given like a key constant with this arrow is telling you here the cardinality will be 1. With this arrow you have to understand, okay, here the cardinality is 1. Another side I don't know. So that's why as this is one cardinality and here it is given m, so it is also a m:1. So if the key constant is given to you, from the key constants also you have to understand what is m:1, which one is m:1. Clear? I hope clear. Everyone, anyone have any doubt? I hope this is clear to everyone. Am I visible, audible? Answers are not coming to me. Why? Answers are not coming to me. Please reply. Yes. Okay. Okay. Okay, good. So after that, next one, here they will ask you the minimum number of table required. The minimum number of table required, here always remember one thing. These are the rules. For minimum number of table 1 to 1, when it is 1 to 1, for this type of relationship you can add the relation table with any one of them. You can add the relation table with any one of them. So means here number of table will be required always 2. And 1 is to many or many is to 1. For this both, 1 is to many or many is to 1. For this both, you can add the relationship table with the table, where cardinality is 1. With that part you can add the relationship table. And if it is a many to many relationship, then it's required. So here also it will be 2 table will be required. If it is a many to many, then here 3 table will be required. Because where there is no cardinality 1, there we cannot add the relationship. So for the relationship table we need a separate table. One relation 1 for one table, relation 2 another table, and for the relationship you required another separate table, that is a extra table. So that's why many to many you required 3 table. Always remember. So 1 to 1 2 table, 1 to many to 1 2 table, and many to many 3 table. Always remember this. And with which part I can add the relationship? That is with the 1 to many, one part where the cardinality is 1. With that part I can do the relationship, right? So now tell me, in this diagram, what will be the number of relationship required? Minimum number of required relationship questions are coming from here. What will be the minimum number of relationship required here? Tell me, what is the minimum number of relationship required here? For multi-valued, that is the not relationship. Here multi-valued means it is a multi-valued attribute. When it is a multi-valued attribute, then also you required an extra table. For a multi-valued attribute like phone number or something, then also you required an extra table. So here what is the number of relationship required? Minimum number of relationship required. And you have to tell me the key also. What are the table? What will be the key? That is also what will be the attribute? What will be the attribute here? That is also you have to tell me. 3, 5, 4, lots of answer are coming. So here how many tables are required? See that with the key constant you have to take the decision. This is the key constant, means here is the cardinality 1. Here also for the relationship cardinality 1. Here also for this relationship cardinality 1. So means this relationship and this relationship, that is R1, R5 and R4. All these I can combine with this one. So B will be combined with R1, R4, R5. So in the B there was the key, that is itself B1 and B2, 2 keys was there. It will be as it is B1 and B2. After that from every one I will take the key attribute, that is A1, C1 and D1. In this way we will make the table number 5. This is the table number 5. Here these are the attribute will be there, right? After that, here there is no key constant, that is a m into n relationship. So here for this relationship I required a extra table. How the extra table? From here I will take the key A1, from here I will take the key C1. That is the extra table, and the separate table for this relation and this relation also. Now this relation will be separated like that, A1, A2. But this table is related with this relation where you can see here is also the key constant. So for this relation it was M, but for this relation it is 1. That's why this table can be combined with this relation, that is D1. That's why this table is here combined with C1, C2, and it took the D1 also. This table will be combined with the R3, that is CR3. And after that table 4, here is the table 4. Table 4 will be a separate one. Separate one is there, D1, D2. That is the separate one. So that's why how many tables are required here? You can see 5 tables are required here. Must cover this topic. It is very, very important. How many tables will be required? What are the attribute in different table? Not only counting. What are the attribute in different table? With which table you can add the relationship? That is also important. In this way you have to understand. That is also important. I hope it is clear to everyone. And I will request you everyone, try to share this to all of your friends, because today I can see less number of students are there. What happened today? Everyone did not get the notification or something else? What happened today? Please share with your status, share everywhere with your friends. Okay, so here is the question, that is, you can see it is a previous year's question from ER diagram, entity relationship. This is the relationship. How many tables will be required here? I already explained, Preeti. I already explained. Now do this one. Okay, so answer will be 3. Definitely answer is 3, because here why it is, here is a one to many relationship. That is okay. So with the one part I can do for R1, R2, I can do R1, 1, 2 relationship, that can be combined. But as this is a multi-valued attribute, for this multi-valued attribute I required extra table. Right? So one to many I required only 2 table. That is okay. But for this one I required an extra table. That's why my answer will be 3 here. 3 is the answer. So it was the important part of ER diagram. Other than that, DBMS, functional dependency, minimal cover, all this topic we covered in the marathon class. I hope you did it marathon. So that's why I am not going to again DBMS, because DBMS we did very clearly. Now I am coming to the computer network. Computer network, this chart is a most important chart for you. Must go through this chart, must remember this chart, and from this chart 100% you will get a question. 100% you will get a question from here. It is the application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, physical layer. These are the layers. In WSI there are 7 layers, but in TCP/IP there are 4 layers. These 3 layers together combine as application layer here. Transport layer is itself transport layer, network is itself network, data link and physical layer together it's called as network interface. So in this way, if you remember the WSI and TCP/IP, then it will be easy for you, right? Now what are the functions? Different functions are there. For application layer, it is the user application, like SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol. Presentation layer is presenting the data format, how it will be present, data format. Encryption, decryption is the main part of this presentation layer. And here example JPEG, HTTPS, SSL, GIF, these all are the example of the presentation layer. And session layer is establishing the connection between the host. Means you are logging to the system, you are connecting with the host, that is the part of session layer. Here net bias, these are the protocol of session layer. Transport layer is responsible for error handling, and here data name is segment. The data names are also important. Till application layer, presentation layer, session layer, the data name was data. Here the data name changed to segment. And here what are the example? TCP and UDP. In network layer, if you are coming, network layer is related with the IP addressing. Here IP address is required from one network to another network. When packet is transmitted, here the name is packet. Packet will be transmitted with the logical addressing in network layer. Here what are the example? Here in this layer, the devices we are using like router, 3-layer switches, like these devices we are using here. In data link layer is related with the physical addressing. Like flow control, main part is the data link layer is flow control we are doing here. So moving frame from one hop to another hop. It is working on hop to hop. It is router to router. Here the name is called frame, and here the device is switches. Now send data from the physical wire, that is physical layer. It is the name here bits, and here what we are sending, repeater and hubs are the example of the devices what we are using. Devices, that is repeater and hub, right? So within one chart here definitely question will come, either device or the data name or the whatever function of each layer, anything, any question can come from this networking. This chart must remember it. Okay. So now after that, here is the different types of devices. What are the works of different types of devices? It is also very important. It can be asked again. So working layer, it is the physical layer. It is also physical layer, repeater, hub. Bridge is working on the data link layer. Switch is working on data link layer. Router, network layer. Gateway, network layer. Here what is the addressing? It is one-to-way, one-to-one broadcasting. It is working with MAC address because all are in data link layer. Data link layer is always working with MAC address. Network layer is working with the IP address. Router and gateway is the part of the IP address. Here it is the name signal, deals with signal. This is deals with bit. It is deals with frame because in data link layer it is deals with packet. It is deals with message. Now what is the main task of repeater? Main task of repeater is regenerate signal. It is basically multi-port repeater. Hub is also a type of repeater but multi-port. Next one is bridge. It is sent to the destination with the MAC address. Here it will send it to the specific destination with the MAC address. Switches have buffer. It can store the data in the buffer and it can do the error checking also. Router is working with the IP address LAN 1. We are sending with the network one by one, right? Next one, entrance to the different network model. It will entrance to the different network model through the gateway. These are also very important chart. Must remember. Good evening Bhuvna, Deepak, Drishti. Good evening all of you. I hope it is clear, right? I hope this is clear. Now these are the important terminologies. What is called hop to hop, host to host and end to end. Hop to hop use the MAC address, data link layer. It is called the hop to hop. Host to host, it is through the IP address. Network layer, it is deals with one host to another host. End to end means it will IP plus port number, and it is in the transport layer deals with the end to end. End to end. These are the three terminologies: hop to hop, host to host and end to end. Where it is working, must remember. So here is the question for you. Do this question. This is the question. Do it quickly. Do it quickly. This is the question. Okay, very good, Bhuvana. What will be the answer for this one? Data link layer, network layer, transport layer and presentation layer. Yes, Kani Mozi, you are correct. Priscil, all of you are correct. Yes, 4 will be the correct answer definitely. Here just now we did this and 4 is the correct answer. All of you are correct. Now next one. Which of the following wayside reference model is called the end-to-end layer? End-to-end layer. Very good, very good. Those who will cover these 3 playlists that I provide, 3 playlists. One playlist is rapid revision, CS rapid revision. Another playlist is important topics of computer science. Another playlist is expected MCQ of computer science. 3 playlists is there in this channel. Must cover these 3 playlists before going to exam. Your exam will be definitely good. Definitely your exam will be good. Yes, answer is transport layer. All of you are correct here. Very good. Next one, wayside model session layer model offered the dialog control token management. What will be the answer? What will be the answer next in the dash? Yes, so here in the session layer is doing dialog control, token management and synchronization. Okay, yes, good. Now next one, which of the following devices take the send data with the MAC address? Which one is using MAC address? Subnetting is very easy now. Very good, very good. Just you have to invest time. Whenever you are investing time to learn something, everything is there. Just you have to invest the time. What will be the answer for this MAC address? Yes, switch is working with MAC address. MAC address means, always remember, it is the data link layer. In the data link layer it is working with MAC address. Switch is working also with the MAC address. Answer will be MAC address. Here TCP IP model encryption decryption is the function of which layer? It is of which layer? Yes, it is the 4th, that is the application layer. Because normally if you are thinking about wayside layer, this top 3 layer are combined here. This top 3 layer are combined here, right? So that's why, as it is asking TCP IP, so your answer will be application layer. Now do this one. Which of the following statements are true with various layer with the network stack? Internet stack. There are 2 statements. At link layer, a packet transmitted information is called frame. In network layer, packet transmitted information is called segment. What will be the answer? Yes, P is only correct, because it is in data link layer we are calling frame, but in network layer it is not packet. In network layer, packet transmitted is called the segment. It is not the segment. Segment we are calling in transport layer. It is packet itself. It will be the answer. So that's why answer will be only P. Only P. Usha, you are wrong. You are wrong, Usha. You are wrong. Here segment is the transport layer. In network layer we are calling itself packet. It is packet. Okay. Yes. Now do this one. Serial line IP, border gateway protocol, user data protocol, simple network management protocol. Match it. What will be the answer? Yes. So answer will be 2 definitely, because in the border gateway is related with network. So here you are getting network. B will be with 4. This is the answer. Now what is the difference between TCP and UDP? The difference between TCP and UDP, that is a very important difference. Question are coming from here. The difference between TCP and UDP. TCP is a connection oriented protocol. It is a connection oriented protocol, and UDP is the datagram oriented protocol. Connection oriented means this is communicating device should be established a connection, that is handshaking. Handshaking is very important. Okay, good. Handshaking is very important here, but here connection, maintaining connection and terminating. UDP is the broadcasting and multicasting, because here not maintaining any connection, it is not doing any handshaking. TCP reliable to guarantee the delivery data from the destination router. UDP is sending the data, after that there is no guarantee. I will send the data, but I cannot guarantee that it will reach or not. My sending is done, after that it is not my work. TCP provide the error checking mechanism, because flow control and the acknowledgement of the data is there. UDP only basic error checking is there using the checksum, but it will not rectify it. It will not rectify it, and flow control is also not there under UDP. After sending, UDP don't bother about that. I will send the data. It is a broadcast way. After that, who received the data, who did not receive the data, it is not bother about that. Okay, that is the main difference between TCP and UDP. Here other differences are also there. It is working with the packet in order. There is no order. It will, if the order is required, it to be managed by the application layer. Application layer will manage the order, but UDP specially not managing any order. TCP comparatively slower than UDP, because definitely it have lots of responsibility. Transmission lost packet possible, retransmission it will be possible in TCP, but UDP will be not there. No, not able to do the retransmission of the lost packet. TCP has 20 to 60 byte of length header. Here it is only 8 byte. The mandatory header only, that is I will be there. Other than that, extra thing is not there. It is definitely heavyweight. It does not support the broadcasting. It is supporting broadcasting. What are the example of TCP? TCP used HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, SMTP. UDP used DNS, DHCP, TFTP, SNPR, RIP, VIAP. Must remember the protocol names also. The protocol names are also important, because they can give you the protocol name. With the protocol name they can ask you is it TCP or UDP. In that way also question can be asked. So that's why must remember it. Okay. Now do this question. This is a question from TCP and UDP. Do it. Do this one. What will be the answer? Okay, answers are coming. Answers are coming. Yes, one is the correct answer. TCP handle both congestion and flow control. UDP is handling congestion but no flow control. Congestion is also not handling by UDP. UDP not handling congestion also. So that's why S1 is correct, but S2 is not correct. Here the difference between ARP and RARP, that is also very important difference. What is the full form? Address Resolution Protocol. This is reverse address resolution protocol. Broadcasting MAC or IP, it is doing. ARP is working with the LAN using by broadcast MAC address. RARP is also using the broadcast IP address. It is working with IP address. Here how the mapping will be done? IP address of the node to its MAC. It is translating the IP to MAC. That's why it is ARP. RARP is doing MAC to IP. That is the RARP. Must remember it. IP to MAC, MAC to IP. Okay. Now what are the usage? What? Used by the host or router. Find the physical address, host or router in the LAN. And here it is limited facilities. Thin clients. I can do for the MAC to IP transference is only possible when I have the list of the MAC address, then only I can do it, otherwise not. Table maintained by the local host, maintained for ARP. RARP maintained by the server. Server maintain it. ARP replies and update to the ARP table. RARP replies and configuring to the IP address in the local host. These are the most important difference between ARP and RARP. Must remember it. Is it clear? Is it clear? These are the some important topics of networking. So what will be the answer for this? What is the name of the protocol that allows a client to send the broadcast message with the MAC address and receive the IP address in its reply? What will be the answer? Okay, answers are coming. Rajkumar is giving answers. Safak, Preskel, everyone is giving answer. It is RARP, guys. Kani, Mozi, you are wrong. Here it is given that broadcast message with its MAC address and receive IP address. In reply it is receiving, that is opposite one, MAC to IP. What we did here? MAC to IP. MAC to IP is the RARP. Opposite one, IP to MAC, that is the original one, ARP. MAC to IP, opposite one, that is the RARP. Don't do mistake. Okay. Now what is the difference between FTP and Telnet? What is the difference between FTP and Telnet? Telnet transfer, telecommunication. FTP transfer, file transfer. Telnet used for chat purpose. Chat purpose. FTP used for downloading purpose. Port number Telnet work is 23. Port number is working with 20 and 21. Telnet used for one connection. FTP used for multiple, two connection. Here is two connection. One is controlling command, another is controlling the data transfer. Remote login, Telnet. Here remote login not necessary for FTP. For FTP it is not necessary. So here is also at some more examples, more difference, that high security will be there in Telnet. Here security here it not providing any security. It used for remote login a system. It used for transferring the data. For the FTP, connection oriented protocol, this is also connection oriented protocol. The main difference is here I will send the file. Here it is working on sending and receiving file, downloading, uploading file. Telnet is working for the purpose of chat. It is for the chat operation we are using, that is called the Telnet. And here the DNS, how the DNS is working. Sometimes questions are coming from DNS also, because whenever you are doing that www.unifystudy.com, if you are writing this unifystudy.com, then it have a IP address. How it will be able to understand? Domain name server, with the name, how your browser will be able to understand that what IP it is. So through this First of all, you are giving example.com. It is coming to DNS resolver. DNS resolver is sending to the root server. It is .com or .in. What server? It will send it. After that, it will get it and then it will send it to the TDL server. TDL server also giving the response. Then it is sending to the final server of example.com. You got the where it is the server. Now you are getting the response. Finally, you are sending it that yes, this is your reply to the example.com, and finally it will go to the server again and it will come back here. This is called the DNS lookup in web page. How the connection is going on, how you will be able to access the data. Okay, this is the DNS. And there is the very important difference between POP3 and IMAP. What will be the difference between POP3 and IMAP? Both are using for mail transfer. POP3 is also using for mail transfer. IMAP is also using for mail transfer. But what is the difference? It is the difference that it's allow downloading message from your inbox in your local computer. You will be able to download it in your local computer. And IMAP is the advanced, allow you to see all the folder in the mail original server. You can handle the data, you can send the mail, you can read the mail, you can delete the mail, everything you can do in the main server. But it is in your local computer. It will be downloaded, whatever work you will be able to do in the local computer. In the server it will be not connected. Right? It has two mode, one is delete and keep mode. After downloading it, if it is not required, you can delete it after retrieval, or you can keep it in the mailbox for the future purpose. Here it is the multiple redundant copies that kept on the server and still it is retrieved. You can do. POP3 mail can be accessed by single device at a time. Multiple device you cannot. But here you can access in the multiple device, because if you know the username and password, you can connect from anywhere. Only you need the internet connection, because you are connecting in the server. You are not depending on the local machine. Mail has to be downloaded in the local system, then only you can read it. Here no downloading is required. Partially it will be downloaded, because whenever you are opening the gmail.com, you can see some of the lines are showing in the inbox, right? So user cannot organize the mailbox in the mail server. Mail server you cannot handle. You can handle your mail server. And user cannot delete or rename the mail server. Here you can create, delete, rename, everything you can do, because you have the access. User cannot reach to the mail server before downloading. Here user can search the content in the mail specific string before downloading also. Means in your mail list, in your inbox, you can search that yes, this mail is there or not. Downloading is not required. Difference is clear. IMAP is your gmail.com. POP3 is a local software where you will download it and after that you can handle it. That is called the POP3 and IMAP. I hope difference is clear. Yes. Yes, both are using. Both. Sometimes POP3 is used in the offices. They will not allow the employees to handle the original server. They are installing the software in each and every employee's machine where they can download it and they can send it. But original server anyone cannot access. Normally gmail.com, whenever you are opening, that is directly you are connecting with server. Okay, clear? So here is the SMTP, that is also another important part. SMTP is the simple mail transfer protocol. Here is the two types in SMTP, that is end-to-end and the store and forward. These two types models are there. End-to-end model used for communication between the different organization. whereas store and forward will be within the organization. Both SMTP client, two components are there, that is user agent and local MTA. Communication between sender and receiver will be this. So here you can see the SMTP, how SMTP is working. These are the protocols, are very important guys. In networking must cover this protocol. User terminal, user agent, sent mail, MTA, MT agent to the server, then it is coming to the user mailbox, user agent, user at the terminal. Finally it will be reach. And SAS pass, here next question from the SAS pass, that is also very important. That is IaaS, PaaS and SaaS, software as a service, where everything is managed by others, you are only using it. Here PaaS means platform as a service, application and data will be managed by others and you can use this one, you will be manage this application and data, and these are the use. IaaS means infrastructure as a service, total infrastructure you are getting. Here application, data, runtime, middleware, operating system, everything you can manage, and whatever others will manage, that is the provider will manage, that is virtualization, server, storage and networking. This will be managed by this one. Okay, yes. So these are the main difference. Software as a service, service provider is giving you a software, user is using it, they are not handling anything. Platform, service provider is giving you a platform where you can handle your own application, own data. Other than that, it will be handled by the service provider. IaaS, infrastructure as a service, total infrastructure virtually you are getting, means it is just like a office, you will get like a office, it is a virtual office. So here you will be able to install operating system, you will be able to handle operating system, middleware, runtime, application, everything. Only virtualization, server, storage and networking will be handled by other one. Okay, clear? Yes, virtualization they asked one time, definitely. It is also a very important topic from where questions are coming. So these are the some example of SAS, PaaS and IaaS. Some example of SAS, PaaS, IaaS. That is also most important. So here you can see the question. Do this one. What will be the answer for this one? Yes, answer will be SAS, because it is giving you the software such as operating system, application software, etc. Everything is handling by others. You are only using it. That is SAS only. So under the flow control, these are the very important formulas, topic you have to remember. Stop and wait, go back and selective repeat. This is a very important chart from where always questions are coming under flow control. Stop and wait, at a time one packet I can send, at a time sender will send at one data, one frame, and receiver will also get one frame. Sender window size is 1, receiver window size is also 1. Go back in, sender window size will be n is the sender. Okay, thumb, yes, hall ticket, in your hall ticket thumb impression space is there, you can you have to do it, yes, it is required, 2 to the power k minus 1, because here what is this k, what is the sender window size, means if there are k number of bit, sometimes they are providing the bit k number of bit is available. So then your sender window size will be 2 to the power k minus 1 and receiver window size will be 1 always. In selective repeat, sender and receiver window size is same. That's why we are doing whatever number of bit divide by 2 for sender also, receiver also. That's why it is 2 to the power k minus 1. Be careful here. It is 2 to the power k. Here is minus 1 and here is k minus 1. Be careful. Okay? No, from your home only. In your home only, you can utilize any ball pen, like childhood you are using like ball pen, right? With the ball pen you can do here, and after that you can put the thumb impression also. In our childhood also we are doing it like that. So if you don't have the ink for the thumb impression, you can try with that also, with the ball pen. Just fill with the ball pen and then put the thumb impression. That is also you can do. Okay, okay? Yes. So here efficiency, whenever I am doing the efficiency in our childhood we did it, right? We did it in our childhood. In that way also you can do. So efficiency, it is 1 by 1 plus 2a. Here efficiency will be n because we are sending n number of packets. Here efficiency will be also n by 1 plus 2a. What is a? A is Tp by Dt. A is Tp by Dt. These are the formulas must remember. Okay. Yes. And in exam center, about the exam center, they told that you have to carry 1 water bottle. Your identification means Aadhaar card, voter ID card, whatever you provide, and the same copy of the image, whatever image is there in your admit card, same copy, same passport size photo you have to carry. And mask they will provide you, means you will wear the mask from your home, go with some marks, 1 mask you have to throw it in their dustbin, and they will provide you marks. With that marks you have to go enter to the exam hall. So it is in the high level. This time they are not allowing the mask also. So after that what they will do, one day they will tell you that we will provide your dress also. That dress also not allowed. Maybe they will provide the exam dress for there will be the dress that we have to wear and we have to go. Maybe one day they will tell that also. Okay. So till now mask, so carry a mask, but they will not allow you to enter with your marks. That is written in the admit card. So independent acknowledgement, here it is cumulative acknowledgement. It is given, I think 2 photos. Yes, 2 photos I think. Cumulative and independent both acknowledgement is here, because here and extra thing is negative acknowledgement also we are sending. Right? Yes. In future it will be happen. Maybe. So here selective repeat is sending a negative acknowledgement. That is a most important part of this one. Okay. 2 photos, 1 or admit card. 1 you have to paste and 1 you have to carry. 1 paste it and another 1 carry it. Okay. Okay. And definitely take care of your health. Take care of your health. It's very important. Take care of your health, all of you. Be careful. Take care of your health. Be careful whenever you are going for exam. That is very important. Yes. So I hope stop and wait, go back and selective repeat revision is done. This revision is done. These are the very important point of selective repeat. Go back in and stop and wait. I hope this is done. Yes. Exam fear? Why fear? No fear. Take it easy. It's cool. Tell yourself finally we are going to attempt the exam. From a long time you are all are waiting, right? You all are waiting from a long time. Finally you are going to attempt. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. Just it is the time to enjoy. Enjoy it. Finally you are going to attempt it. That is a time to enjoy. Right. So here classful addressing, classless addressing, this is also important to remember. Under classful addressing, class A, class B, class C, class D, class E. This is the net ID, host ID. Here it is 8-bit net ID, 16-bit host ID. Here also 8-bit, here it is 16-bit, 16-bit. Here it is 24-bit and 8-bit. Right? And these are reserved. Class D and class C are the reserved. Here, yes, here it is 0 to 127. This is 128 to 191, 192 to 223. These are the for flow control questions. I am showing you some questions here. You can go to my channel. You can go to Unify Study. Search here Unify Study. This is
India's rich culture, tradition.
Going on Unify Study, go to this, and after that you can check the playlist. You can go to the home page, and here you can see the rapid revision series. Under this rapid revision series only, in this playlist only, you can see TOC. Acha, yesterday I told you that operating system class is there. For the operating system CPU scheduling I added here, you can see. And networking flow control. Networking flow control is here. Networking numericals are there. Subnetting is also here. After that RSA algorithm is also here. RSA algorithm and cryptography. So must cover this 4 topic also. Here I am not going there. These are the topic very clearly we did here. Subnetting, flow control and this numerical. Must cover this before your exam. There are the 3 classes most important, 4 classes. RSA algorithm is also there. So these 4 classes under the networking must cover it. Okay. Numerical, flow control, subnetting, RSA algorithm and the cryptography. After this class, try to go through it quickly. Quick revision. You can increase the speed also. Try to increase the speed and go through it. These 4. Okay. If you already done, that is good. If you did not cover, then go for it. Must. Now here we will go for the next topic. These are the topic. Again I am not repeating. Must do the revision. Here IP address. This will be your IP address. These are the very important IP address. What are the IP address are required? 169.2.254. This is the local link. Loopback is 127. 0 used for the current one, and this is DHCP 255. 255 is for broadcast address. There are 2 types of broadcast. One is your limited broadcast. Another is, there are 2 types of broadcast is there. Okay. Now here this is the chart for the class A, class B, class C, class D, class E. Quickly do the revision. Starting address is this, ending address is this. How many networks are possible here? 2 to the power 7. 8 bit, 1 bit is already leading, that's why 2 to the power 7. Remember that. Here it was 16 host bit, 16 net bit. 1 0 is the leading, that's why 2 to the power 14. Here 24, 3 leading bit is there, that's why it is 2 to the power 21. Must remember this, don't do mistake here. Number of network possible. Here it is not 2 to the power 16, it will be 2 to the power 14. It will be 2 to the power 21. Don't do the mistake here. Okay. And other than that, these are okay. For the host bit, no problem will be there. But for the network, these are the bits are already fixed. That's why you have to deduct this bit for number of network. Right. So quickly do this answer. 4 byte IP address. What will be the answer for this? Yes, morning class also we did some question. Morning class is also going on 10 a.m. That is also yesterday. Tomorrow also I will take morning class 10 a.m. Yes, so answer will be both, that is network and host, definitely. What will be the answer for this? What is the answer for this one? IPv4 binary notation is given. What will be the answer? Yes, answers are coming, but 4 is not the answer, guys. 3 is the answer. Why you are doing mistake? Here what it is, the easy way you can see, this one and this one are same. So definitely these two have to be same. Here only these two are same. Without checking, without doing anything, you can do the answer. These two are same, and definitely here also these two are same. This is not same, this is also not same, this is also not same. Right? Right. Yes. So 11 and 11, that will be the answer. No need to do anything. Without doing anything only you can do the answer within 1 second. Save your time. Time saving is very very important before exams. Save your time. Each and every question, always your target will be, in each and every question I have to save some time. If it is 1 second also, in 30 question you will save your 30 seconds. That will be give you extra 2 marks. Maybe another question you will be able to do. Okay. So the IP address used for the host being booted just now. What will be the answer? Being booted just now. Yes, that is 0.0.0. This is the answer. What will be the answer for this one? Consider the two statements with respect to IPv4 in the computer networking. Yes, for this one answer is this, because loopback address, that is 127. 127 is class A. This is class A, not class B. That's why it is wrong. Loopback address is sending packet and host itself. This is correct. So Q is true. This one is false. Now the percentage calculation for the IPv class C address consumed. What will be the address consumed by the class C? What is the percentage of IP address consumed by class C? Yes, so how to calculate total number of addresses are possible? How? 0 to 255, that is total number of addresses is possible 256. Here range is 0 to 127, so total is 128. So 128 out of 256, that is 50%. Here 128 to 199, that is 64. So 64 out of 256, that is 25. Here is total 32. So 32 out of 256, that is 12.5. This one is 6.5 and this one is 6.25. So that is the percentage what it is covering for the classes. So your answer for class C will be 12.5%. Yes. Now we will come to the data structure. So let's do some revision for data structure and algorithm also. You all know the tree structure, what is called root, these are called label. This is label 1, label 2, label 3, these are there. What is the binary data structure? Root. Here is the binary data structure. node, root, parent, child, leaf node, internal node, depth, height, right? So how the binary tree we are creating? There will be left child, right child. That is the creation of binary tree. Full binary tree, very important. Full binary tree, left side have to be completed. Maybe right side is not completed, that is okay. Either 0 or 2 child. It cannot be 1 child. That is not allowed here. Here also I cannot take 1 child. Here also I cannot take 1 child. Either 0 or 2 child have to be there in the full binary tree. Okay? Yes, definitely you can get the question. Definitely. Complete binary tree, it is following the snake pattern. Left part have to be completed. Maybe right part is not completed, that is okay. And full binary tree, either 0 or 2 child. Here you can see I took 1 child, that is correct. That is not a problem. Okay. Can we get response sheet? Yes, you will get. (2021) response sheet. What's a 2021 response sheet you did not get? 2021 question I provide, right? Divya, 2021 all question I provide or not? 2021 complete PDF I provide, right? Okay, if I did not, then I will share. I provide, I hope. You was in paid course. Try to check it. 2021 complete question I provide you with the unit wise, all unit wise question together I provide, and I took the special classes also. Yes, that is I am telling. I provide 2021 all question unit wise. PDF is there. You can search it. PDF is there. One day I have uploaded that. PDF is there. All the 2021 question. We did it. Okay. Yes. Achha, your performance analysis, that is you have to check. Now you cannot. If you previously downloaded, then only it is possible. Otherwise not. Your response sheet, if you previously downloaded, then only it is there. If you store it, then only. Your response sheet, now you cannot download. So that is a very important thing, guys. What Divya is telling, response sheet, must store your response sheet. Storing response sheet is very, very important to do the self analysis. Still now all the response sheet I am storing. Whatever exam I attempt, each and every exam response sheet I am storing in my computer, because of self analysis and because of future purpose. Always download your response sheet and store it. If possible, upload it in your Google Drive or somewhere. It will be required for your future purpose. After the exam, must do it. It is very important for future purpose. Okay. So perfect binary tree, when I am telling it's a perfect binary tree, that is all internal node have strictly 2 children. That is perfect binary tree. Balanced binary tree, the height between the left child and right child, what it will be? The height will be between right child and left child, it can be maximum 1. It is not, it will be less or equals to, means either 0 or 1. Either 0 or 1, not more than that. It is not possible more than that. Okay. My response sheet from 2017 there was no response sheet. 2018 June, 2018 December, it is available in my website also. You can see In my website I have uploaded my response sheet. In my website only you can see 2018 December, June, 2019 June, December, 2020, all the response sheet I have uploaded. 2020 my response sheet is not there because I did not attempt. Till 2019 I have attempted and my response sheet is there in my website. You can check it. You can download the response sheet also for your practice. That are my response sheet only. If you go to my website you can download it. Okay, all of you. So here the height will be log n, balance is order log n, order of log n, and the difference between, yes, yes, good, very good, very good. So here degenerated binary tree, this is called the degenerated binary tree. No ma'am, what no? What no? In order, pre-order, traversal, left root, root left, left right root. Yes, yes. Now binary tree properties, these are the some binary tree properties. What? I am visit your website. Okay, good. So label L, this is 2 to the power L will be there. This is 2 to the power H plus 1 minus 1 will be there for H height. When there are the height, minimum number of labels will be log base to n plus 1. Here it is log base to L plus 1. Here also these are the child. Okay, yes. Which is not uploaded? It is uploaded. What ma'am? What happened? Asa, tell me. Today no one is want to read, want to learn. Everyone have lots of queries. Your reading and learning is done, I think. See that. Here unifystudy.com. If you go here, you can go to CS computer science PYQs. Go here. After that go here. Here only you can download all the question paper. See that. 2021 only I have not uploaded because 2021 response sheet I forgot to upload. But other than that, these all the response sheet are here. You can download paper 1 plus paper 2. Okay. These all are here. You can click and you can download it. See, if you clicking on here, you will see that it is my response sheet only. Priyanka Chatterjee. It is my response sheet only. So you can download it. Okay? Everything is available in website. You can go for it. Okay? You can go for it. Just download it. So here, max level of the node at level 1. That is 2. Yes. 2020 it is not my response sheet. 2020 it is one of my student response sheet. 2020 it was the response sheet of one of my student. 2020 one of my students response sheet it is there. Okay, till 2019 my response sheet. After that I uploaded another response sheet of my student. Okay. 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 So here this is the binary search tree. You can see the binary search tree. This is the binary search tree. Here do the question postfix expression. Do it. Acha, I will upload today. After the class I will upload today 2021 response sheet. I have one of my students response sheet that I will upload. Okay. Paper 1 expected question. Do this one. Yes, answer will be 3, 8 and 1. How to do? Here I will insert this 6, after that 2, then 3. Whenever I am getting this star, this 3 and 2 will come. 3 multiply with 2. Now 6 will be come here. So now the stack is here 6 and 6. After that I will insert here this is the divide. So then again 6 divide by 6. So it is not here now. So here in the stack is now 1. After that I will insert 4 and 2. After that when again next star will come, then I will pop this 2 multiply into 4. Then finally it will be 8. I will push here. So finally it will be 1, after that 8. So 1 and 8 will be the answer. 8 and 1. Answer have to be 8 and 1. If there is 1 and 8, this is wrong. This is wrong. Must do it. It is 8 and 1. Okay? Yes. Got it? Clear? Maximum number of nodes. See that. Maximum number of node, what it will be? What it will be? Every label there are 2. So, if your label is like this k, then it will be 2 to the power k. Is it or not? First label there will be 2. Next label there will be 4. So, what it is? What it is? In each and every label, what is the maximum? That is label into 2 to the power. Is it or not? Yes. Got it? That will be happen or not? Clear? Divya? Divya, is it clear? If you are starting with, see that here if you are starting with this is 0, this is 1. 0 label, 1 label, 2 label. In this label, how many possibility? 4. 4. That is the possibility. Right? For this label, only for this label, that will be your answer. Root label is 0, that's why 2 to the power 0 is 1. Root label is 0, 2 to the power 0 is 1. Got it? Okay. Okay. Yes. Now do this one. Stack and queue. Do this question. Do this question. Stack and queue. So all of you are enjoying it. I can understand that all of you are very cool. This cool thing is very good. All of you are very cool before exam. Try to be cool like that. Try to be very free, very happy. No tension. Without any tension, go for the exam. Without any tension, go for the exam. You all are super cool. That is good. Go for the exam with this cool mind, cool brain, and ultimately JRF is yours. After the exam, we will come back. And after the exam, we will come back and we will do the analysis. And you will tell me that yes, ma'am, exam was super good. Right? Exam is super good. Yes. Ma'am, height and label are same. Height we are counting from bottom to top. That is the height. Label means this is the first label 0, label 1, label 2 like that. Height and label like this. Okay. Chalo. Do this question. Do this question. What will be the answer? Yes. Very good. B will be the answer. Very good. All of you. Good. Everyone. Now go for the next one. Go for the next one. Binary search. Number of order. This is the order in the left subtree. In the left subtree. We have filled a case for this question, ma'am. Left subtree. Okay, that will be 7 definitely, because you know, all of you know that here is 60, here is 25, here will be 72, here will be 15, here will be 30, here will be 68, here will be 101, after that here will be 13, 18, here will be 18, 47, where is 47, here is 47, 70, where will be 70, here is the 70, 34, where will be 34, here will be 34. So in the left part, how many childs are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 childs are there. Now if I remove this one, if I remove this root, then what will be my root, new root? What will be my new root? New root. Exam city. How many of you got the second choice? Most of the time they are giving exam city very far distance. Most of the time they are giving it very far. Yes, answer will be 4, because the tricks is there. From the left subtree you have to take the max, and from the right subtree you have to take the mean. Remember that. If I am deleting the root, from the left subtree I will take the max, from the right subtree I will take the mean. That is the answer, right? Now this is the post order traversal given to you, and what will be the in order traversal? What will be the in order traversal? Those whose exam center is very far, I will suggest you try to start your journey at least to yesterday only. If you can, try to go and try to stay there. That is better. If you can arrange. If any relatives or anyone is nearby, or if you can arrange, so go. If it is very far, then go to the center at least yesterday night. Yesterday night only, stay there for one day, then go for the exam, because 9 a.m. is your exam. If you are getting exhausted by traveling, then your exam will be bad. Okay, so don't exhaust yourself by traveling. Yes, in order is always ascending order. If it is a binary search tree, then only. If it is a binary search tree, then only it is in ascending order. If it is not a binary search tree, if it is only a binary tree, then this will be not applicable. For binary search tree, always you can do the ascending order, right? So heap, what are the heap data structure? There are two heap data structure, mean heap, max heap. Mean heap means every time the root will be less than the child. Here every time the root will be greater than the child. And here there is no relation with BST. Don't be confused with the heap and BST. There is no relation with the BST. Okay. Yes. Now do this one. Center is in another state of Bangalore. Center in other state. Oh. So those who are suffering from that, go tomorrow only, try to reach. One day before, that is tomorrow. Tomorrow only try to reach to your exam center. That is better. What will be the answer for this, guys? Exam center discussion is over. If, then try to do. What will be the answer for this? What will be the answer for this, everyone? Okay. Yes, answer will be 4. So here how to do it? It is heap. So heap means I have to take 42. Heap is always filling in this snake pattern. 42, after that 25 will come. So it is following the max heap property, know that. 30, it is okay. After that it is coming 40. This is not following the heap pattern. So that's why I have to do the swapping. 40 will come here, 25 will go there. After that 22, no problem with 22. After that here is 35. 35 is also not following it. That's why you have to go for this one. That is 35, this is 30. Now after that 26 is here, right? So that's why what will be the answer? 42, 40, 35, 42, 40, 35. After that 25, 22, 25, 22, 30 and 26. 30 and 26. Okay. Yes. Achha, if from this question only I am asking another question. If I am trying to delete the root, that is 42. After deleting the root, what will be my answer? If I am trying to delete the root, that is 42, after deleting, what will be my new heap? What will be my new heap in the array pattern if you are writing? In the array pattern if you are writing it, then what will be your new heap? New heap. What will be your new heap? You have to write down the answer. I am trying to delete the 42. What will be the new heap? Write down the answer in the chat box. What will be the new heap? In this way, in the order you have to write down. Array order. Array order. Total heap you have to write it. You have to write the total heap. Write down the total heap in this order. In this way. Write down the total order. I am writing and I am asking you to write down the total order. Arey yaar, I am asking you to write down the total order. I am not asking you what will be the root. Total order, write it down the order. What will be the order? That I am asking. So your current heap is like that. 40, 35, 25, 22, 30, 26. How to delete? First of all, it will be swap. 42 will be here, 26 will be here. So after that I will delete 42. After that now heap 5 will be required. Here for this 30, 35 there is not a problem. There is not a problem. Now this 35 and 26, here is the swap required. 35 will be go here, 26 will come here. Here is 26, here is 35. Now again the swapping will be required. So 40 will come here, 35 will come here. So your new heap will be 40, 35, 26, 25, 22, 30. That will be your new heap. Got it? Yes, 40, 35, 26, 25, 22, then 30. This is your new heap. Okay? In this way you have to do. Now if I want to insert, maybe I want to insert anything like 38. Maybe I want to insert 38. Then yes, max min is working definitely. Delete is that first step is swap with the last element. Swap with the last element. First of all, whatever you are want to delete, swap with the last element. Then next step is do the heapify operation. Do the heapify operation. That is the way. Always whatever element you want to delete, swap with the last element. Then delete it. After that, delete it. Then after that, do the heapify operation. That is by swapping. That is by swapping. Okay. That is we did here. First of all, we swap with last element. Here was 26. Here is 42. After that, do the heapify operation. Okay. Okay. From this, heapify operation will be always from bottom to top. Heapify operation will be always from bottom to top. Always do the heapify operation from bottom to top. Hi Pooja. Hi. How to do the insertion? That is I am asking. I am telling you, you have to insert 38. After inserting 38, what will be the answer? If I want to insert 38, then what will be the answer? If I want to insert 38 now in this tree, whatever the given question in this tree I want to insert 38, then what will be my answer? $38. Can we swap 40 and 26? 40 and 26. Why we will swap? Achha, here something we miss, right? Here definitely. Here is 40. 35 is swap. That is okay. Here we did 26 was this, 26 came here, so that's why we write 40, 35. It is 26 not. Wait. Here what we did, 35 was there, right? Wait. What we did here? Let me do again. Here we did some mistake. Here it was 42, 40, 35, 25, 22, 30 and 26. Now I will replace 26 will go here, 42 will come here. After that we will delete this 42. Okay. Then 30, 35 there is not a problem. 30 and 35 there is not a problem. So I will do it. After that here what I can do, 26 can come here. No, that is not possible. So here 26. Wait, here what I have to do, here I have to go in top, that is 35 will come here, 26 will come here. After that again there it is not maintaining, that's why 30 will come here, 26 will come here. 30 will go there, 26 will come here. And for this one 35 and 40, so here is 40, here is 35. That's why now it will be 40, then 35, then here it is 30 now. 35 was cancelling here, so here it is now 30. then 25, then 22, then 26. Got it? Yes, it will be like this: 40, then 35, then 30, then here it is 25, 22, then it will be 30, then it will be 26. Got it? Clear? Clear? So always you have to follow the bottom to top approach. If I am doing one part, then that part have to be done. After that I can go for the next. When this is not maintaining, then I have to cover this one. This is not maintaining means I have to cover this one. After swapping, again I have to check the heap 5. After that again I have to check the heap 5. Okay? Yes. So when I am inserting 38, how it will be? If I want to insert 38, how to insert? Yes, how to insert it is, see that. Here I am doing insertion. Here it is the insertion required. That is, here is 42, here was 40, here was 35, now 25, 22, 30 and 26. Now I told you I have to insert 38. Where to insert? Here I can insert 38 at last. That is the last one. Here I can insert. After inserting, I have to perform the heap 5 operation. That is, this 38 will go here and 25 will come here. Now is it required? This is okay, no problem. This is also okay, no problem. That will be your new one. That will be new one. No right, no right, left. You have to follow the snake pattern. You have to follow the snake pattern, Gita. Till now it was completed. It is a complete binary tree. I have to insert in the next level here. The snake pattern. After this pattern, where is the pointer? Pointer is here. Where is the pointer? Pointer is here. That's why your answer will be yes, again took 42. Yes, I did with this one. I did with this one. Whatever the given question with this one, I did it. Okay. Not like that. Right, left, not like that. Do with the last one. Where is the last one? Do with the last one. Don't think about left. Don't think about left or right. Last one. Which is my last? Last one. Which is my last one? Yes, I took this one. According to this one, it will be this. According to this one, it will be this. According to the previous one, it will be different. According to the previous one, if you are thinking, then it can be different. But here also, according to the previous one, this one was deleted, right? According to the previous one, if you are thinking, because it was deleted, according to this one, your 38 will be here. You will be insert 38 here. Always in the last. That is the main thing. Here this was gap. Here it was not there. That's why I am inserting here. If I am taking this total, then it is my next. Always the last pointer. What is the last pointer? There only I will insert. If I am taking this one, then 38 and 35, so it will be again swap. This is the 38 will go here and 30 will come here, right? This will be maintained. Okay? Got it? Got it? Clear? Clear? So maybe this type of question can come. Insertion, deletion from heap, how to insert, how to delete, how to create, that are the all possible question from the heap, and I hope it is clear now. Okay, so for the complexity analysis, always remember what is order, what is order of Gn, what is order of Fn, what is omega of Gn. This is the question. Do this one. Complexity analysis is also the next important part. Do this one. What will be the answer? Acha, I am telling you one thing. When it is we are writing that Fn is the order of Gn. What is that? What we are writing? That is Gn is bigger than Fn. What is the meaning? Gn is bigger than Fn. Right? Gn is bigger than Fn. That's why we are writing order of Gn. When I am writing Fn is omega, Fn is in this way. When I am writing Fn is omega of Gn. What is the meaning? Meaning is that Gn is smaller than Fn. Remember that. And when it is theta, theta means Gn and Fn both are equal. Both are equal. Right? Remember always. Big O means Gn is greater than or bigger than Fn. Omega is Gn is bigger than smaller than Fn. That's why it is omega. Right? So now do this answer. Yes, answers are coming. Answer will be 1 because always big O is your worst case. Big O is the worst case because it is taking the maximum time. Omega is the best case because it is always taking the minimum time. It is the best case. Right? So that's why your answer will be this one. And the master theorem is always very important. Master theorem. Fn is omega of Gn. Fn is order of Gn. Fn is theta of Gn. How? How it is? When Fn is greater than Gn, then we will say big O. When Fn is less than Gn, then we will say big O of Gn. Gn is greater. Which one is greater? That is your answer. Gn is greater. That's why this is your answer. Fn is greater. That's why this is your answer. When Fn and Gn both are same, then your answer will be order of Gn log n. That will be your answer. Right? Yes. Clear? Must remember this. So from here, tell me what will be the answer for this one quickly. What will be the answer for this one? Quickly tell me what will be the answer. Answer. What will be the answer for this one? Yes. Here what I have to do? First of all, we have to do the Gn. What is Gn? N to the power log A base B. Gn equals to N to the power log A is what? 3. B is what? 2. Log 3 base 2. So, if it is log 2 base 2, then it is 1. But it is 3 base 2. So, it will be 1 point something. It will be maybe 1.5 or something. But it is n square. So, definitely Fn is greater than Gn. So, my answer will be order of n square. That will be my answer. Right? Now, what will be answer for this one? Achha, this one you can do. What will be the answer for this one? Achha, tell me what will be the answer for this one? This one. Quickly do it. Question number 2, question number 3, question number 5. 2, 3 and 5. 2, 3, 5. You have to answer. 2 is this, 3 is this, 5 is this. 2, 3, 5. You have to answer like that. 2 is this, 3 is this, 5 is this. Yes, here what will be the Gn? Gn will be n to the power log 4 base 2. N to the power log 2 square base 2. That is n to the power 2 log 2 base 2. 2 base 2 is 1, that's why n square. Fn and Gn both are same. Fn equals to Gn. Both are same. And that's why it will be order of Gn log n. Gn log n means it will be order of n square log n. Answer will be n square log n. You are correct. Now do this one. Three will be 2 to the power n because 2 to the power n will be greater than Gn. That is correct. For fifth, what will be the fifth one? Fifth one, is Gn equals to n to the power log 16 base 4. That is, I can do n to the power log 4 square by 4, means it will be n square. So this is n square and this is n. So your answer will be n square. N square. All of you are correct. Achha, now do this one. This is a previous year's question. Do this one. This is a previous year's question. Do this one. Yes, answer will be n cube definitely, because Gn equals to n to the power log 8 base 2. So log 8 means n to the power log 2 cube base 2. So it is n cube. N cube. So that's why here it is n. Which one is greater? N cube is greater. Answer will be n cube. Extended master theorem is also important. Under extended master theorem, how to do? It will be in the format AT n by b, and here it will be something in log to the power d. It is n to the power d log to the power k n. In this format when it is given, then what to do? K greater or equals to 0, then it will be n to the power d log k plus 1 n. When it is k equals to minus 1, then it will be n to the power d log n. When it is k less than minus 1, then it will be theta n log a base b. That will be the answer. So it is the extended master theorem. It is also you have to remember, right? Yes. So from extended master theorem, this is a question of previous years. How to do it? What will be the answer for this? What will be the answer for this? Tell me. Answer is coming from Rinky. Answer will be this in log n. So what I have to do here? Here first of all we have to put it to the format a t n by b theta into the power d. It was a t n n. It is n by b plus theta n to the power d log theta n to the power d log to the power k n. In this format we have to write. So here it is 2t n by b plus theta n to the power 1 log k. It is minus, k is minus n. So what is the value of k? K is minus 1. So as k is minus 1, I have to do n to the power d log n. So it will be n to the power d log n. What is the value of d? D is here 1. So n to the power 1 log n. And that's why log n. That's why your answer will be n log n. So from the extended master theorem, you have to do the answer in this way. Right? Now it is the breadth first traversal. DFS, BFS is also next important point. BFS and DFS. Question are coming from here. So do the question. What will be the answer? Answer will be 3. It is asking you BFS, breadth first search. How to do the breadth first search? Breadth first search is always maintaining the queue. Whenever I am maintaining the queue, whatever I am inserting here queue. Whenever I am inserting queue, I have to check what are related with me. M, N, P are connected with me. Done. R I can insert. Now whenever I am taking out N, I have to check who is connected with me. That is O. Now I can insert the O. So after that P will become, so whatever P is connected, that is already done. R, then O. So this is matching. Q, M, N, O, P, R. This is matching. But this will not match because with the M, whenever I am taking M, I am taking out M, then I have to insert here N and R and Q. So either N, R, Q can be there, any one of them. So directly how O can come? It is not possible. P can come, not possible. Here also when I am taking N, then with the N I can insert O, M, Q. After N it is possible O, M and Q. So here you can see Q, M, P. How P can come? It is not possible. P, that is not possible. Q also, when I am entering Q, then after the Q it is possible M, N and R. M, N and P. That is okay. M, N, P. But whenever I am taking out M, then I have to insert R. R. Before that O cannot come. Here O is coming. That's why it is not possible. Right. So what will be the DFS for this one? What will be the DFS for this one? DFS, correct answer. So those who are watching till now, when you will crack your exam, please don't forget me, okay? After the exam, also after the coming back from exam, please give me that, yes, whatever question was coming, how was your exam, please send me your message. I will wait for your message on 8697365460. That is my WhatsApp number. Do WhatsApp me. I will wait for your message. Ki how was your exam? What are the questions they asked? What are the types of question? Oh, everything means your exam analysis. Must send it in my WhatsApp number 8697365460. Please, please don't forget me. And after result also, please don't forget me. After result also, please at least message that yes ma'am, I cracked the exam. Okay, yes, please don't forget that. Yes, what will be the answer? Answer will be this. It is also possible because I am going from A, B, then E, then G, then H, then F. No problem. This one, can I do this one? A, B, after that F, there is no way to E. That is not possible. That's why 2 will be eliminated. Here is 2 is eliminated. Now out of 1 and 4, and it is also 1, 4 is there. Now we will check only 3. By checking the 3 only, I can do the answer. Right? Yes. Okay. So 3 also will be correct. So answer will be this one. Depth first search only is possible when there is the connection between one node to another node. There only I can move. Okay. Okay. Thank you. We will never forget. That is good. Divya, Rijana, Tulasi, Hema, Selvi, Safak. I receive from NTA now. They said my center has been changed and to download the admit card. But I checked the admit card is the same. Oh my God. Is it happening? When you received the call, Safa? When you received the call? When you received the call? Oh my God. Oh, so Safak, I will suggest you one thing. Try to download it again, and it is happening for. So guys, be careful. They are changing the exam center also. At the last moment. So before starting your journey from your home, try to download your admit card again. Re-download your admit card again, please. Re-download your admit card again. Safak also, please re-download your admit card again. Okay, Sanju, I am coming to your doubt. Re-download your admit card again at least tomorrow night. Tomorrow try it once. Okay, try it once tomorrow. Try to download it again. If they change the exam center, then it can be. Okay. Yes. Safak, did you request? Is there any request was there from your side? Is there any request? You did any request to change the exam center? You sent any request to change the exam center? Or it's automatically? Is there any request from you? Please confirm me that. Don't be confused, don't panic, don't be confused. Okay, so you did not request, so maybe it is happening, maybe they can do it. So I will suggest you, Safak and everyone, try to re-download it tomorrow. Try to re-download it, because normally they are doing all the work at night. NTA is owl. NTA is working on light. At 9 PM they are telling the students exam center has been changed. Oh God. So please do it. See that here for BFS, who was asking for BFS? Sanju was asking for BFS. So remember that how to do the BFS, from where you are starting. The BFS rule is that from where you are starting, anywhere I can start. So as I was starting with Q, so whenever I am taking out Q, that is I am DQ the operation. At the time of DQ the operation, Sanju, please concentrate. Those who don't know the BFS, please concentrate here, and those who know already BFS, they can chat between them for admit card. Okay. So Q, when I am taking out the Q, then what we have to do? Then I have to check what are connected with Q. M, N and P is connected. So in any order I can write it. It can be in M, N, P, it can be in P and M, whatever order it is, but definitely these three have to be inserted. Now as per the option I can write the order, that is M, N and P. It is not possible to insert Q or R, because with the Q, O and R is not connected. Okay. O and R is not connected with the Q, that's why I cannot insert here. After that, whenever I am taking out M, at that time I have to check who are connected with M. N and R is connected with M. That's why N is already done. Now I can insert R. Whenever I am taking out N, then I have to check that which one is connected with me. Q, O and M. O and M is already done. Q and M is already done. I can insert here O now. Now I am taking out N is already done. Now I am taking out P. Whenever I am taking out P, I have to check who are connected. O and Q. Already O and Q is done. No need to do any one. R I can take out. R with the R also. M was connected. That is already done. Now I can take O. That is the way. Okay. Whenever you are taking out, then you have to check that who are connected with me. I have to insert that all. Clear? 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 And from where you have to start, that is from the option. This option is starting with M. This option is starting with N. This option is starting with Q. This option is starting with Q. Check the option, start with that node. And check it, is it possible or not. Okay? Clear? Sanju, it was the request from Sanju. Sanju, is it clear? Tulasi, we are always welcome. You are always welcome. But actually now I am not staying in Kolkata. I am staying in Hyderabad. So if you want to meet with me, then you have to come to Hyderabad, because I am not staying in Kolkata now. Okay. And she is so sweet. Definitely take her. Definitely I will meet. Okay. Meet with your daughter. Definitely. Take care. Okay. Clear? Clear? Yes. Chalo. Hi Arnab. Hi. Yes. Definitely everyone. Okay, great. So these are the charts. This chart is also important. From here 100% one question you will get. 2 marks is confirmed from this chart, because always they are asking the complexity chart. Complexity chart is very 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 important. Remember the chart. Binary search, best case is order of 1, average key is log n, worst case is also log n. Okay. I am also from Kolkata. I also thought to meet you after exam. Okay, I will meet. I will travel throughout the India. I am planning after the exam I will travel, and definitely Kolkata, so definitely I will go. Whenever I will go to Kolkata, whenever I have to go to my home, I have to go through Kolkata. So I will inform. Yes, I am in Kolkata airport. You can meet me. I will go to Tamil Nadu. I will inform I am in Tamil Nadu airport. So meet with me. I will send a message. I will do a live that yes, I am live in this airport. Come here. I will be there. Okay, I will inform before traveling that on that time I will reach, so that you all can meet with me. Yes, that we can plan. Kerala, yes, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Tell me, I will make a list. I will definitely reach there. Okay, Telangana. Telangana, so I am there. After the exam only we can meet. After the exam only we can meet in Telangana. Those who are from Telangana, we can meet definitely here, because I am in here Telangana. Okay, there also we can meet definitely. Okay, Chennai. Okay, Chennai also. Yes. Yes, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Kerala, we will meet definitely, surely. Oh, I am not in Bangalore, I am in Hyderabad. I am not in Bangalore, I am in Hyderabad. Those who are in Hyderabad, they can meet with me, and after that I will go to Tamil Nadu, Bangalore, Chennai, everywhere. Okay. Now do this one, guys. Do this one. After the exam we will meet. After the exam we will celebrate our success. We will celebrate our success. So I will do a planning. Keep from which state there will be maximum number of success, I will go to there. That will be fun. That fun we can do. After the exam we will make a list of the state from Unified Study, those who are my student. From the student list, which state is coming on the top, maximum number of students will pass from which state, I will travel to that state. That will be my first position. That will be my first planning. Okay, that will be my first planning. We will do. So together all of you. Yes. Okay, so let's check it. One get together session after, ma'am please. Yes, get together session we will do after the exam, definitely. Zoom is required. Zoom it will be not good. I am telling you can write it. Okay. This is order of n. Sequential search order of 1. It is order of n. It is also order of n. Quick short order of log n. It is n square. Merge short order of n log n. N log n. Insertion short order of n square. I will go. Bubble short order of n square. Heap short order of n log n. Okay. Selection short order of n square. Disaster order of b square. It can be n square also. Kruskal's order of e log b. Prim's order of e log b. DFS b plus e. Hopman order of n log n. Okay. Okay. Clear, must do it. 2 marks is confirmed from here. Matching type question always coming. Must do it. Ma'am, from sorted array we prefer insertion short, and from unsorted array quick short. Is it correct? Insertion shorted, see that It is not like that. Array will be unsorted always because we are doing sorting here. Array will be definitely unsorted here because we are doing here the sorting. If it is already sorted, then why we will go for sorting? All will be unsorted. There is nothing like something will be sorted. All will be unsorted here. It will be depending on the length of the data. What is the length of the data? Searching is there. Ki binary search when we will apply when it is a sorted array, then binary search. When it is a unsorted array, then it is sequential search. For searching, sorted and unsorted concept is coming. Okay. For searching, that concept will come. ठीक है? Yes, this is a very important question. Do this one. Tanushree, is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. Now do this. Yes, answer will be 4 here because here it is focusing on in place. Heap sort is not in place algorithm. Not in place algorithm. So P should be not in place. P should be heap sort is a in place algorithm. What I am telling, heap sort is a in place algorithm. What is the meaning of in place? In place means it is doing operation with the same array. So that's why P have to be a in place algorithm. Insertion sort is a in place algorithm. Q have to be a not in place algorithm. Not in place algorithm. Merge sort is a not in place algorithm. So it is a in place, it is not in place. That's why it will be the answer. Here the focus of the question is in place. Must remember it. Now see that binary max heap n number smallest element to be found in which time? What will be the time? Merge sort is not in place because merge sort is taking an extra array. Merge sort is working with an extra array. That's why merge sort is not a in place algorithm. What will be the answer for this one? Binary max heap containing n number smallest element can be found in time. Yes, that is order of n. Max heap, it is max heap. So definitely smallest element in the leaf. So that's why it will be order of n, definitely. Now do this one. Do this question. This is also an important question. Do this one. What will be the answer for this one? One is log n time, another is root n time. Both want to solve in 1 second. Both want to solve in 1 second. This is also want to solve in 1 second. This is also want to solve in 1 second. 1 second is 10 to the power 6 microsecond. Microsecond. It is also 10 to the power 6 microsecond. Right. Now how to solve? When I am telling that here log n equals to 32, what is the value of n? How we are getting it? What is the value of n? Log n is 5. If I am telling log n is 5, then what is the value of n? How to do? That is 2 to the power 5, that is you are getting 32. So n value will be 32, right? Yes, in that way you are getting. So when log n is given 10 to the power 6, what will be the value of n? 2 to the power 10 to the power 6, that is here 2 to the power 10 to the power 6. If it is given that root n equals to 16, what is the value of n? I will get what? Root n equals to 4. If it is given root n equals to 4, what is the value of n? That is 4 square, that is 16. So here what I will do? Root n is given 10 to the power 6. So what is the value of n? That is 10 to the power 6 square. 10 to the power 6 square means 10 to the power 6 multiplied into 10 to the power 6. That is 10 to the power 12. So answer will be 10 to the power 12. Answer is 10 to the power 12. In that way we have to do the answer. Got it? Clear? Clear? Whenever log n is given, log n equals to x, then what is the n? That is 2 to the power x. If it is given root n equals to x, what is the value of n? That is x square. Clear? 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 Is it clear to everyone? With the example always try to remember. Maybe question can come again. So this is the done. Now I have to end the session. Computer graphics and these are the points of computer graphics and the artificial intelligence that we did previously. You can refer this. Now it is the time to go to bed. We have to go to bed. Definitely you have to also go to bed. You can go to the quick revision. You can go to here, go to Unify Study, and after that you can go to this channel, graphics and all. So ultimately everything is there. You can see this revision series. Now 17 classes is done here. So in this all have completed now. All are completed. Yesterday, so yesterday we did one topic. Yesterday it was done. Final revision. Today also it is done now. Now after that software engineering, database, TOC, operating system scheduling, networking, networking numerical, subnetting, RSA, artificial intelligence is here. Computer graphics is also here. I will add here computer graphics numerical. Computer graphics numerical also I did. I will add there only. Here is a artificial intelligence is also here. I will add there. Okay, this is the artificial intelligence. Computer graphics I will add here. Computer graphics numerical also we did. That is also I will add here. Okay. So all of you, I am also ending the session now. You have to also end your learning now. Take a rest. Go for bed. Refresh yourself. Do some meditation. Do some meditation before going to bed. Meditation is very important before your exam. Do some meditation. Cool down your brain, and within 10 p.m. go to sleep. That is very, very important. Within 10 p.m. today only go to sleep. And tomorrow also 9 p.m. Try to go to sleep 9 p.m. 9 p.m. to 9 a.m. This 12 hours it will be your cooling time. Must cool yourself. It's required the cooling time. Must cool yourself 10 p.m. 9 p.m. to 9 a.m. tomorrow. Okay. After 9 p.m. tomorrow, no study. No study after 9 p.m. tomorrow. And today also after 10 p.m. no study. If you want to crack the exam, please follow my method. Please follow it. You will be get the beneficial. Okay. and try to drink lots of water in tomorrow. Tomorrow try to drink lots of water. Okay, lots of water tomorrow throughout the day. Maximum water, fluid, do some healthy foods and all. Don't go for any junk food, don't go out and anything. Take care of yourself, take care of your emotion. Physically, mentally, try to be healthy. That is more important. Today, tomorrow is your very crucial time. So tomorrow, whatever revision is required, do it first stuff. In the first stuff only, from morning start your learning. That is from maybe 5 p.m. If you are going to 10 p.m, then you can wake up at 5 p.m. or 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. You can start learning from 6 a.m. tomorrow. After that, should we start at home at the rate 5:30, 7:40 reporting time? That is as per your traveling time. You can start as per your traveling time. You should start. Okay, how much traveling time is required, as per that you can plan for it. Okay, so all of you, good night. So be happy, be healthy, be cool. Don't take any emotional stress, don't take any physical stress. Go to bed, take sleep, take proper amount of foods, water. This is more important, and for our brain, your sleep is most important thing. For our brain, your sleep is most important. Paper 1, okay, we will try tomorrow. We will try that, so that we can do little bit revision of paper 1. Okay, tomorrow last day, so tomorrow it will be good. Let's try to do some paper 1 revision. Okay, chalo, bye everyone, good night, see you again, bye.